All right, what up, boys and girls? My name is Nikolay, and I am the proud owner of B-line Automotive here in Washington State. And I think we're gonna try a little YouTube with this thing. Let me show you what we do here. Well, we can talk about this, right? This is my pride and joy. One of a few, but this is my pride and joy. This car built about 7 years ago. Over the course of the last 7 years, there have been some things added to it. Nowadays, the most current stage of this, the car is powered by a 2.2 liter Nissan SR20 DET with a VE head, which is a high flowing head off of a front wheel drive version that can make up to 1,000 horsepower, something like that.
Yeah, boy.
This thing's not that rowdy. It makes it for a really, really good looking aesthetic in the engine bay. It also makes great power and it sounds ridiculously good. Also, this is a replica of somebody that I looked up to as a drifter coming up. I think I did a pretty bang out job. Also with that, my newest addition to my repertoire of wheel collection. This is actually something that I make through my shop. I have a brand that I started a couple years ago. Really, really tiny brand, but it's okay. We're growing. These are a TLOW forged wheels. I design them. This is kind of a take on a few different wheels put into one. This is my newest baby, and I'm showing it off to you guys. This is the first time laying eyes on this. The person that I looked up and I built this car after, whose name is Yoshinori Kaguchi, he also produces a lot of parts. These fenders, the hood, the rear quarter panel, and the wing. Obviously, love the guy, so I gotta run and support the products that he makes. Along with that, the car features a IKEA formula body kit, which has not been produced in about, I'll say 25 years or so. It is 2025, so, but, or 26. Jesus Christ.
I wasn't even gonna correct you.
Yeah, it features a really old body kit and a really old set of headlights built by a company called Abflug. They're also one of those unobtainium relics. Also got this really, really cool ARC intake box that we retrofitted, and now the motor and everything's got all this titanium piping and all this fancy stuff. So, but yeah, this is my little gem, and we'll probably talk about it a little bit more down the road. But this thing's actually getting dynoed here in a couple of days. We've got a new refresh for a new motor already. Wow. Hopefully she'll be good, and there's a plan for this, which will be in later videos. But for now, this is it on this one. Until then, I'll see you guys later. Peace.